Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Poonam. Today we are going to talk about something that is completely transforming the way developers write the software. That is AI driven and AI assistant coding. So if you are a developer, a student or someone planning to enter into this tech field, then this topic is extremely important for you. Now let's start with a simple reality, that is the old reality of development. So earlier developer has to do what they had to write every line of code manually, right? So every line was typed by hand. And if we stuck anywhere, what we had to do? We had to constantly search where in the documentation for finding the syntax and methods, right? And then we used to debug the errors by trial and error, correct? And then we used to write a repetitive boilerplate. That means what? We are going to write the same patterns over and over, correct? So with this, what was happening? The traditional software development was what? Labor intensive and time consuming, correct? And then developers spent countless hours on repetitive tasks that slowed the innovation. So now we have AI tools, right? What this AI tools are going to do? They are helping us to automate a big part of this process. But what does this exactly mean? Let us see. So what is AI assisted coding? AI assisted coding means what? You are still the developer. Everything is in your control, but you have an intelligent assistant or intelligent partner who is sitting at your side and guiding you, assisting you while you code. So you are still the architect, but now you have a powerful assistant accelerating your workflow. That is what is AI assistant coding. Now what this AI tools can do? This AI tools can do the code suggestion. They can do the autocomplete complex logic. They can generate the unit test instantly, and they can even do a conversion, or we can say they can do a cross language conversion. That means easily they can transform the code from Python to JavaScript seamlessly, and they can do a code explanation on demand as well, and they can provide us a faster error resolution. And what AI tools we can use? For example, we have our Copilot, right? We also have our ChatGPT, and like this there are other several tools which we can use it. Now in this case, for example, I would take a simple function, okay, which you are going to write it in JavaScript, okay. It is a very complex function, but if you take help of this AI tools, that AI tool can easily complete it in 5 minutes, which you were going to take time for 30 minutes specifically, or 40 minutes. Let us go to the next slide and see the productivity revolution. That is what I have told you. Here, when we are using this AI tools, we are going to save our time. So now if we see here, we can see here we have our traditional method, we have our AI method. So I'll write here T and I'll write here AI here. Here as well T, and here I'll write AI. Here I'll write T and here I will write AI. So wherever I have written T, they are the traditional, how many minutes we are going to take. And wherever I have written AI, it is AI assisted minutes. Okay, so for the boilerplate, we can see how much less time we are going to take. For API integration, how much less time? For unit test writing, so much less time, considerable to our traditional, right? And for documentation searching and also, that also has been reduced to a gradually very less, right? So now what we are doing, we are trying to save our time. So here time saved is nothing but it is equal to our innovation gained, right? So we have a tools like our GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, that has helps us to reduce the time spent on our repetitive tasks. For example, which I took the example, it is mentioned here as well. So what took 30 minutes now can take up the 5 minutes only, and it will easily free up the developers to focus on the creative problem solving and system design. So now average productivity has increased by how much time? By 5 to 6 times faster than our routine coding task, okay. So that is the revolution our AI tools has created. Now what is the next level? So this is our AI driven coding. That is why now we have to focus on the AI driven coding. So we are just moving one step further, okay. Now here you can see from description to application. Now many people here will be using and are using chat gpt regularly, right? So what do? You provide some description, right? And from that it can generate a code. It can generate anything whatever you wanted, right? So for example, with respect to this, here I have taken one example. create a REST API using Node with authentication and MongoDB integration. So what AI can do here? AI can do the folder structure. AI can do the routes. AI can create a controllers. AI can generate a middleware. AI can create a database. It can do the connection as well. Everything it can do, right? So that is why this is the power of our natural language. Whatever we are going to write, we are going to write it in our normal, our English language, and it can easily provide it. That is nothing but what? That's very powerful, and that is called as what? Prompt based development. So we are going to do a prompt based development, or nowadays we are using agent based development also, right? So we have our agent based development also. So in this model, what happens? The developer role is shifting here. What is happening in this? The developer role is shifting from writing the syntax. I would write here, the developer role is shifting from writing the syntax to the design logic and review the output. Okay, so now you are going to focus on the logic part, and you are going to focus on the output. What output you are going to get it when we are using AI driven coding. Okay, so what is our AI driven coding? AI driven coding is when we describe in our natural language, and AI generates large portion or a smaller portion or some portion of our application. That is what is our AI driven coding. Okay, now we have to focus now. Very important question here in the next slide. The critical reality. AI is perfect or what? AI isn't perfect, and it is very very important to understand. So everyone has a question in mind: is AI perfect? Is AI can do everything, right? But AI isn't perfect. It is very important to understand this. Why? Because AI can generate a code, but it cannot generate a trusted code. Okay, so blind trust on AI generated code can lead to us a serious problem in production systems. So it has certain limitations always, right? So what it can do? It can generate a insecure code. Here you can see there can be a security vulnerabilities here. It can miss the certain edge cases. It can miss the error scenarios, which will be very important. It can also like miss the business logic. So there could be a gap over there. It will not understand fully what is your business requirement, and it may produce inefficient algorithms, right? So it would take much more time to execute it. So what is our fundamentals? We need to focus on the fundamentals. That means our data structure, system design, security principles, clean code. We should be aware of everything, and we should have the strong fundamentals in place. So AI is a tool. Always remember, AI is a tool. Okay, it is not a replacement. It cannot replace anyone. With this question, can AI replace developers? No, AI cannot replace the developer. But with this, something is changing. What is changing? The evolving developer role. Now, initially, what a traditional developer used to do? They used to be a code writer, correct? But now in this modern role, what a developer will be? They will be architect, they will be reviewer, they will be a problem solver. This is what we want. So we have to walk along with our AI. Initially, that means our traditional role of the developer was focusing on what? Syntax, typing speed. Now we don't have to focus on that, because this all things can be easily handled by our AI tool. So what we will be doing? We will be focusing on the thinking part, the designing part. Okay, so the new core responsibilities of a developer is what? We have to design a scalable architectures. Okay, we have to critically review the AI generated code. We have to make sure we are optimizing the performance and efficiency. So we have to ensure the security and compliance. We have to make a high level technical decision. So here the value is shifting. What is happening here? The value is shifting from the typing speed. I would write here, from the typing speed to what? To thinking ability. Okay, so that is what here also it is mentioned, that now success is no longer measured by typing speed or memorizing the syntax. Now the most valuable developers are going to combine with a strategic thinking with AI collaboration, and turning ideas into robust system faster than ever before. That is what is now the developer role. That is why it is evolving the developer role with the help of our AI tools. Okay. Now, why this trend matters? Okay. Now, why this transformation matters? Because there will be a faster product development. Okay. There will be a rapid prototyping. We are going to eliminate the repetitive work. Then it will enhance the productivity. There will be always a higher productivity, and there will be always focus on what? Innovation. Every time we are going to focus on a innovation. So companies are adopting the AI tools because speed matters in today's competitive world. So that is why it depends upon the speed, innovation, and ability to adapt the company demand. So why these companies worldwide are adopting this, and we also have to adopt this because speed is going to be a crucial factor here. So speed matters in today's competitive development world. Okay. Now, here what it is mentioned, the future of coding. Now we have to understand what is the future of coding. Now, future of coding is what? It is not replacing the developers. AI will never replace developers. Always remember. AI will bring more jobs. Okay. For this only I have created this video. Now AI is what going to do. The future belongs to the collaborators. If you are collaborating it properly with our AI, you are going to outperform. So future is developers who know how to use AI, and that will, you can excel in that field now. So if you learn how to write a better prompts, how to review the criticality, how to combine AI with the strong fundamentals, then you can stay ahead in the industry. So the narrative AI replacing the developers misses here entirely. Okay. So the future is very, very clear. Developers who is going to master the AI, they can only outperform here. So this isn't about choosing between human or AI. It is about amplifying the human capability through the intelligent tools. That is what it is. So what we are going to do, so I will share my final thoughts here. So AI driven and AI assisted coding is not the end of programming. Always remember, this is not the end. It is the evaluation. It is not extinction. Here it is written, right? So it is not the end of programming. The smartest developer will not fear AI. They will collaborate it. So it is not the end. It is evolution. Collaborate and don't fear. Okay, guys. So now this is what everyone has to do. So in this competitive edge, master the AI collaboration, maintain your strong fundamentals, think strategically, and three principles will keep you ahead in rapidly evolving tech industry. Okay. So the future isn't about AI versus developer, is it is about developers with AI creating what neither could achieve alone. And you can explore this Copilot, you can explore other, we have Perplexity, we have ChatGPT. You can explore other ones as well. Okay. If you found this explanation helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tech content. And comment below, do you think AI will replace developers in the next 5 years? Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.